Okay, so it's Sunday. We're back from vacation. We're about to lower Laney's Ecoboost. I don't know, I've never actually lowered an S550 car, so we're gonna see how easy this is. I'm sure it's probably not that difficult. In fact, the front looks really similar to an S197 that I am very familiar with. So, here we go. Okay, so, got a little jack stand under there. Charging up the battery on the impact. Probably not gonna need it. Will say this, the lug nuts are extremely loose, all things considered. I will be including some before and after pictures in here, just like a one-to-one comparison. You know, working on stuff that's not from like the 60s, 50s, 70s, 80s, 90s, like it's so nice to not have like super duper rusty fasteners. Oh my God, I can get spoiled. I see why people love working on cars, like when they have a new car. Which, I mean, obviously I love working on old shit, but there's something to be said about not getting rust in your eye and like losing the will to live when you break off an old ass fastener. All right, let's get to it. On to number 2. Look, you're still stuck. Look at. Yes. But right now, this video is going to show that, I mean, there's not as much wheel gap on it so far. We still haven't lowered the rear. And there we go. So, tis lowered. We're about to go take it for a test drive. Always remember, torque your lug nuts. I've since gone back through and torqued them. Needs a bath. Oh, baby, we're good. Test drive time. Okay, so initial and late night run to Taco Bell, and drive straight, drives true, obviously, as we kind of expected, and rides pretty close to factory. Bumps are not that bad. Bump stops, not a problem since we cut them. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'm gonna go take a couple of after photos to compare to the befores at the end of the video.